According to the Indian place value system, we have various places like ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and so on. These places helps us in reading and writing the numbers. These places are further divided into periods. So here we have the places, and these places are further divided into periods. You can see the first period we have is the ones period. Okay, so ones period, in ones period we have ones, tens, hundred. These three places lies in ones period. Then next we have thousands period. In thousands period we have two places, 1000 and 10,000. Then we have lakhs period where lakh and 10 lakh are there. Okay, so in ones period three places are there, ones, tens, hundred. In thousand period two places are there, 1000 and 10,000. And in lakhs period there are two places, lakhs and 10 lakh. Now, if any number is at ones place, like you can see here we have 7 at ones place. Therefore, this means if 7 is at ones place, 7 multiplied by 1, that is 7. Place value of 7 is 7. Now, you can see 1 is at tens place. So if any digit is at tens place, it means that the digit has to be multiplied by 10. It is at tens place, so that digit has to be multiplied by 10, and the place value of 1 here is 10. Then if any digit is at hundreds place, like here you can see in this example we have 6 at hundreds place. So place value of 6 will be 6 multiplied by 100, that is 600. Similarly, 9 is at thousand place. So what we will do? We will multiply 9 by 1000, and the place value of 9 is 9000. 1 is at 10,000 place. So we will multiply 1 by 10,000, and the place value of 1 is 10,000. 3 is at lakhs place. So it will be 3 multiplied by 1 lakh, and the place value will be 3 lakhs. In the same way, 2 is at 10 lakh place. So we will multiply 2 by 10 lakh. Okay, so place value of 2 is 20 lakh. So this way we find out place value of each digit in a number. Now, whenever we read any number, we separate them as per their periods. Like you can see here, we start from the ones place. So ones, tens and hundred. These three places are there in ones period. So we will make a group of these three numbers, 6, 1 and 7. The digits which are there at ones, tens and hundred place will be placed in one group. Then we have next thousand period. Two places are there, 1000 and 10,000. So make one group of these two digits, and then for lakhs period make one group. So you can see here we have three groups. One group is for ones period, other group is for thousands period, and the third group is for lakhs period. Now to name this number, what we will do, we will start with the lakhs period. Read the number given here in lakhs period, 2 and 3. 2, 3 makes 23. So how we will write? We will write it as 23. After that we write the name of the period. Okay, so the number is 23 and the period is lakh. So it will be 23 lakh. Then come to the thousands period. In thousands period we have number 19. 1 and 9, 19. So write here 19. And the period is 1000. So write 1000 after that. Then come to ones period. Read the number 617. 617 means 617. So write 617. We do not write ones period after the number. Only we mention thousand, lakhs, and later on you will study the next period, that is crores. So these periods we mention after the number, but we do not write ones after writing the number. Okay. So the number name for this numeral is 23 lakh 19,617. Now look at the question given here. Few numerals are given to us. We have to place the digits of these numeral in place value chart. So we have already drawn. You have to draw this place value chart in the same way as you can see here on the screen, okay, in your notebook. So we will start from the ones place. In the first numeral 3, 2, 5, 4, 8. At ones place we have 8. So write 8 in ones column. Then at tens place the digit is 4. At hundreds place digit is 5. At thousand place we have 2. And at 10,000 place the digit is 3. Therefore, we have placed all the digits here in the place value chart. We have 8 ones, 4 tens, 5 hundreds, 2 thousands, and 3 10,000. Now look in the next question. Look at the next question given here. 4 is at ones place, 3 is at tens place, 9 is at hundreds place, and 8 is at thousand place. In this number we do not have any digit at 10,000 place. So leave this place blank. Then in the next number we have 5 at ones place, 4 at tens, 8 at hundreds, 2 at thousand, and 7 at 10,000. Next question we have 4 at ones place, 8 at tens, 5 at hundreds, 2 at thousand, and 7 at 10,000. The last one, here we have 9 at ones, then 0 tens, 0 hundreds, 0 thousand, and 9 10,000. Okay, so here we have placed all the number in the place value chart. In the next question, we have to write the place value of 6 in 2, 5, 6, 2, 5. So as you can see here, 5 is at ones place, 2 at tens, 6 at hundred, 5 at thousand, and 2 at 10,000. Therefore, place value of 6 here is 6 multiplied by 100. Keep in mind, place of 6, if it is asked place of 6, then place of 6 is 100. It is at hundreds place. But if place value is asked, okay, you have to find out place value of 6. Then you have to multiply 6 by 100. So it will be 600. There is a difference in place and place value. place of 6 is 100 here. Okay, it is at hundreds place, so place of 6 is hundreds, but place value of 6 is 600. In the next question, we have to write the place value of 3, 2, 5, 9, 8. We have to write the place value of 3 in this number. So here 8 is at ones, 9 tens, 5 hundreds, 2000 and 3 10,000. So you can see from here 3 is at 10,000 place. So place value of 3 is 3 multiplied by 10,000, which is equals to 30,000. Next question is write the place values of two 8s in 82856 and find their difference. So here we have the number 82856. Firstly, write all the places: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So you can see two 8s are there. One is at 10,000 place and one is at hundreds place. So place value of first 8 is 8 multiplied by 10,000, which is equals to 80,000, and place value of another 8 is 8 multiplied by 100, which is equals to 800. We have to find out difference between these place values. Difference means we have to subtract them. So difference will be equals to, subtract them, 0 minus 0, 0, again 0 minus 0, 0. Then we have to subtract 8 from 0. So borrow from this 8. Here 7 will be left, 9 will be left here, and here we will get 10. So 10 minus 8, 2. Then we have 9 and 7. So difference is 79,200. In the next question, we have to write the numeral. So first number name given to us is 25,006. 25,000 means we have 2 and 5 in thousands period. So 2 at 10,000 place, 5 at 1000 place. Then we have 6. Which places are missing here? We know that places are ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So we have written the digits at 10,000 and 1000 place. Okay, 2 and 5. Then we have 6. 6 means 6 is at ones place. Okay, 6 is at ones place, which means two places are not given to us, hundreds and tens. So we will put two zeros first. 0, 0, 6. Okay, 25,006. Then we have 1 lakh. So after 10,000 we have lakhs place. So 1 is at lakhs place and rest all the places we have 0. So the numeral will be 1 and 5 zeros. You can see at 10,000, 1000, 100, tens and ones. All places are 0 here. So 1 and 5 zeros. Then we have 92,046. 92,000 means 9 at 10,000 place, 2 at 1000 place. Then we have 46. 40 is 4 at tens place. 4 tens makes 40, and then 6 at ones place. So here we have 0 at hundreds place. Therefore the numeral is 9, 2, 0, 4, 6. Okay, so this is the numeral here. In the next question, we have to write places of thousands period. So we know in thousands period we have two places. Those places are 10,000 and 1000. Then in the next question we have to write the places of ones period. So in ones period we have 100, tens and ones. These three places are at ones period. In the next question, we have to write the period and place of underlined bold digit. You can see the first number given to us is 40528 and here 5 is underlined. So what is the place of 5 here? You can see it's hundreds place. 5 is at hundreds place. So period is ones, because ones, tens and hundred all lies in ones period. Therefore period is ones and place. You only have to write place of the digit, not place value. So what is the place? Place is 100. Okay, period is ones and place is hundreds. Next question, 33426. Here you can see this 3 is underlined and it is in thousands place. Okay, it is at thousands place. Therefore, period of this digit is thousands, because thousands and 10,000s lies in thousands period. So period of 3 here is thousands and place of 3 is also thousands. Then in the next question we have to write the period and place of 8. Now you can see 8 is at ones place. So period is ones and place is also ones.